Imagine standing on the edge of the Pacific Ocean, thousands of years ago, staring at a horizon that seems endless. Behind you lies the vast jungles and islands of Australasia. Ahead, unseen, lies another world, the Americas. Could it be that long before Columbus, long before Vikings, even long before the first Siberian hunters crossed the Bering land bridge, people from Australasia made that impossible journey? This is the mystery of ancient migrations, the controversial evidence that humans reached the Americas at least 25,000 years ago, that among those early arrivals were people with roots not in Siberia, but in Australasia. For decades, the story of how the Americas were populated seemed simple. Around 13,000 years ago, during the Ice Age, small bands of hunters crossed from Siberia into Alaska across the frozen land bridge known as Bering. These so-called Clovis people spread south, becoming the first Americans. But new evidence has shattered that timeline. Archaeological sites like Monte Verde in Chile, Pedra Ferrada in Brazil, and caves in Mexico show human presence thousands of years before. Clovism as early as 20,000 to 30,000 years ago. And the DNA tells an even stranger story. When scientists analyzed the genomes of certain Native American groups, they found a genetic signal that didn't match Siberian ancestry alone. Instead, it pointed to a surprising connection: people from Australasia. That means populations related to modern-day Australians, Papuans, and Melanesians may have contributed to the genetic makeup of the Americas. How could this be? The Pacific Ocean is vast, stretching thousands of miles between Australasia and the Americas, and yet some researchers argue it was not impossible. Ancient seafarers were far more skilled than we often give them credit for. Polynesians, for example, colonized islands scattered across the Pacific with no modern navigation tools. If later peoples could cross, could their distant ancestors have done so too? There are other clues. In Brazil, ancient skulls like that of Luzia woman,